While DJI is unleashing its new contenders, the Osmo 360 and the intriguingly modular Osmo Nano, all eyes are now swiveling towards Insta360, a company known for its disruptive form factors. Whispers have solidified into tangible leaks, strongly suggesting that the successor to the popular Go series, tentatively dubbed the Insta360 Go 4, might be imminent. But is this the right moment? And crucially, what radical path will this miniature powerhouse take? Gone, it seems, is the instantly recognizable thumb-sized core camera designed to snap magnetically onto surfaces or slot seamlessly into the versatile action pod with its flip-up screen. Instead, the leaked photos depict a distinctly cuboid device with a rounded square profile. One corner is dominated by a substantial lens, a significant visual departure from the more centrally located optics of the Go 2 and Go 3S. This shift towards a single integrated unit marks a profound strategic pivot. The Go 3 and 3S thrived on their hybrid nature. Creators cherish the freedom to use the tiny camera alone for ultra-discreet, lightweight POV shots, or combine it with the action pod for traditional framing, monitoring, and extended control, essentially morphing into a miniature GoPro alternative. The leak strongly implies the action pod, a signature accessory, might be absent from the Go 4 ecosystem. This raises the fundamental question: where's the screen? The back of the device remains a mystery in the leaks. Is Insta360 betting entirely on smartphone connectivity for framing and playback, eliminating a physical screen to achieve even greater minimalism or durability? While the overall form factor is the headline, closer inspection of the leaks hints at several potential enhancements. Wireless charging? The camera is consistently shown hovering above a dock-like accessory, prominently inscribed with Insta360 Go 4S. This strongly suggests the introduction of inductive charging. If this dock is a consumer accessory, not just a development tool, it would represent a major usability upgrade. Imagine simply dropping the camera onto its base to recharge, eliminating finicky cable connections. A boon for a device prized for its grab-and-go nature. The 4S label likely denotes the dock itself, implying the camera is the Go 4. Stealthy controls. A front-facing element, potentially a capacitive touch surface or a very discrete physical button, is visible. This aligns with the Go series ethos of minimal, user-friendly interaction. Accompanying diagrams hint at capacitive touch control on the front face, possibly for mode switching or starting-stopping recording without physical presses. Audio focus. A noticeable front-facing audio grill features in the leaks, suggesting Insta360 is prioritizing improved microphone performance. Audio quality is often a compromise on ultra-compact cameras, so enhanced capture would be a significant win for vloggers and content creators. Indicator and sensor. An indicator light is visible, and a smaller circular element nearby could be a secondary light or a new sensor. Size and build. Observers note the Go 4 prototype appears larger than the core Go 3/3S camera unit, though still decidedly compact. This size increase could accommodate a larger battery, the new charging tech, or improved internals. Crucially, moving to a sealed, integrated design could finally deliver proper waterproofing without relying on external cases, a notable limitation of the previous action pod. Any discussion of the Go 4 is incomplete without acknowledging the mixed reception to its immediate predecessor, the Go 3S, released barely 2 months ago in April 2024. While offering useful upgrades like 4K/30 FPS video and 2.7K/60 FPS, the Go 3S made a controversial change. It swapped the 1:1 aspect ratio sensor of the Go 2 and Go 3 for a taller 4:3 sensor. Insta360 marketed free-frame video, promising flexible reframing in post-production. However, the reality, as vocally expressed by users, has been problematic. The 4:3 sensor severely restricts effective reframing, especially when changing orientations. If you physically mount the camera horizontally but need vertical footage for platforms like TikTok or Instagram Reels, the resulting crop is drastic, losing a massive portion of the field of view. The reverse is also true. Furthermore, the lack of robust keyframing tools in Insta360 software makes it difficult or impossible to smoothly adjust the direction and rotation of footage shot in unconventional mounts. This undermines a core strength of earlier Go models, their flexibility in mounting and post-production perspective adjustment. Users also noted the removal of the vibration sensor present in the Go 2 and reported worse battery life compared to the Go 3. The Go 4, therefore, faces immediate pressure. Will it retain the problematic 4:3 sensor or revert to a more versatile aspect ratio? Will Insta360 significantly improve its companion app's reframing and editing tools? Failure to address these pain points could alienate the existing Go series user base. Insta360's potential move away from modularity with the Go 4 is a high-stakes gamble. On one hand, it promises ultimate simplicity, portability, and potentially enhanced durability class waterproofing. For creators who primarily use the camera in its tiny, wearable form factor, recording hands-free POV footage, quick social clips, or family moments without fuss, and who rely on their phone for setup and review, an integrated design could be perfect. It could also pave the way for a more affordable price point, perhaps landing between $299 and $349 by eliminating the cost of the Action Pod. On the other hand, abandoning the Action Pod sacrifices significant functionality. The flip-up screen isn't just for playback, it's crucial for precise framing, especially in complex shots or when the camera isn't easily accessible. It provides immediate visual feedback and control. The pod also houses extra battery capacity. For creators who valued this hybrid approach, the tiny camera plus the option for a more traditional action cam experience, the Go 4's rumored design might feel like a step backward, limiting its versatility. The leaks themselves suggest a device seemingly far along in development. The existence of what looks like production-ready accessories, the Go 4S dock, points towards an imminent launch. Historically, Insta360 has refreshed the Go series roughly annually. The Go 3 launched in June 2023, and the Go 3S followed unexpectedly quickly in April 2024. While a Go 4 release in June or July 2024 would be remarkably swift after the 3S, it's not impossible, especially given the competitive pressure from DJI's July launches. Insta360 will likely want a compelling counterpoint on the market. However, the time in the title carries a double meaning. Is it time for a Go 4? Technically, the 3S has just arrived last year. Releasing a successor so soon risks frustrating recent buyers and muddying the product line. Alternatively, the leaks could represent not the Go 4 but an entirely new product line, perhaps a Go Lite or Go Wear, focused purely on the ultra-compact, non-modular wearable niche, leaving the Go 4 name for a more traditional modular successor later. Or, less likely, the leaked images might simply fail to show the modular connection points, though the design appears fundamentally different. What do you think? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Subscribe for more content like this, and as always, thanks for watching.